Now, I've never really come across this audio company called OpenAudio, but they've released a flagship earphone. It's actually 8BA. They're calling it the Alkaid. The Alkaid is a top of the line 8BA set. It's quite expensive. You have to have a lot of money to be able to buy this earphone. You are looking at $960. That's the price tag. Let's see what type of BA you get. You're getting a mix of Sonion and Knowles balanced amateur drivers on each side of the ears. In total, you're getting 8 BAs on each side actually. So it's still a great set. Obviously, it's more down to how it's tuned now. Let me clear something first. I'm not a huge fan of all BA sets. I've never really been a fan of balanced amateur drivers when it's only being used as the drivers in an earphone because they don't have bass. No matter how the engineers want to tune that earphone, it will never have natural bass. I always want for the fact that BAs can do vocals very well, but it's still not going to give you that natural sense of presence that you get from a dynamic driver. That natural presentation, you're not going to get it with BA, no matter how good the BA is. The thing here is that Alkaid is built really well. It's definitely a flagship that a lot of people will want to check out because of the build quality. I think it's very much top of the line in terms of the shell. You just have to look at a shell of an earphone to know that it's an expensive set. I like the shell, to be honest. Quality is something the company went for in terms of the cable as well. The cable is very, very thick and you have multiple connectors as well. It's a very good set. It's a very, very good set from what you can see already. But the thing here will be the price tag. Will you ever see someone spend $960 for an all BA set? Most people just do not see themselves spending that kind of money for a balanced amateur earphone alone. They would want at least a bit of a mix. They would want at least a dynamic driver handling their bass and all that. But regardless, I think it's still going to be a very good set that can compete on today's landscape of earphones. It's all about the tuning. Does it have a decent amount of low end? Because we all know balanced amateur drivers cannot perform very well in the bass department. It will try, but it will never come close to a very decent, even budget priced dynamic driver earphones. It's never going to be on that level. Regardless, I'll drop details for it, even where you can purchase the OpenAudio Alkaid earphone. Do check that out. Subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see you guys very much next